What is up guys, this is Shady Tech and today I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s in front of me here, and in other markets it's also known as Note 9 Pro. So model that I got here is interstellar gray and it's 6GB of RAM with 128GB of storage. So you got all the specification down here and down below. So right around the box, nothing else much. It's pretty clean and pretty white in the theme. So we're just gonna take off the box real quick. Okay, first you gotta present with a small box within the box, and inside here you got the user guide or manual guide, as you suppose, in different kind of language, and you got the warranty cards. Usually it's 1 year, depends on the retailer. Some of them might give out 2 years or so. And of course you got the silicone rubber case, and it's also kind of in interstellar gray, or you call it grayish kind of tone. It's better in this kind of color because usually if this is white, in times it's gonna be yellow real soon, but if it's like darker color, I don't think it's gonna go yellowish in time. So now we're gonna put the phone aside first, and the casing also, and if we have anything else in the box. So you got 2-pin European style charger here with, I believe it's 20-watt charger, but as I know, this phone can only go up to 18-watt charger, so the charger can charge a little bit more than it used to be, which is kind of nice. And of course you got the USB cable, USB to USB-C cable, and that's pretty much it what you got from the box. And we're gonna quickly go to the phone itself. So in front you get the LCD 6.67-inch huge display, 20:9 ratio. On the right side you got the power button. Let me just put this up real quick instead of waiting. Or presented by Redmi, aligned Redmi by Xiaomi, if you want to say it precisely. Okay, on the left side you got a SIM card tray, 2 SIM card tray with expandable SD card slots. On the top you got a microphone. On the bottom, it's nice to see that they have 3.5mm headphone jack, the port itself, and single grill speaker, as you can see over here. And on the right side you got a power button, also used as the fingerprint scanner here, and of course the volume up and down rocker. Yeah, and you got your 4 quad camera setup with 48 megapixel main camera and a single LED flash, which pretty much barely use it anyway, unless it's using for flashlight or something like that. Okay, so it's nice to see that it is come with MIUI 11, the latest from MIUI. Gonna go ahead with English instead. Alright, so even though this is interstellar gray, I don't think it's actually that gray at all, because it has kind of like bluish tone to it. Okay, so for choosing a theme, I'll just go with classic for now. And that's it, setup is complete. As easy and as quick as that. Of course you got the front facing camera on top in the middle here, and the punch hole is kinda okay. It's not too big or it's not too overwhelming the screen above. As you can see there, it's just about the same as the notification bar. Alright, so this is the theme, and the classic theme of Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. Looks pretty good, very snappy, very fast, even though this is like mid-range. Much faster than my previous Note 7 that I've been using. I'll just quickly go to the about phone. So you got Android version 10, the latest one, Android Security Patch 2020, which is really good. And system update, check it out if I have any updates. There's no update. Alright, Okay, so I'll just quickly go to dark mode and see if there's any screen bleeding on this. It looks pretty good to me. I've been having a lot of complaints, people saying complaints that this phone has quite serious bleeding, screen bleeding to it. And especially it's really noticeable when in dark mode, and you can see around here. But as far as I can tell, there's nothing. But of course, in a full review, I'm gonna do the real testing and I'll tell you guys how it is. But for this particular video, this is just a quick unboxing of Redmi Xiaomi Note 9. So let me go to the camera real quick here and just allow everything. Sorry about my cat. My cat is like, you know how cat is. 48 megapixel. That's pretty good. Alright, so yeah, that's a really quick unboxing from me, Shady Tech, and I'll see you guys in the next video of me doing the full review of Redmi Note 9S, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Shady Tech signing out.